We have Shadow. Shadow, are you ready? See, Tyler? Cryptid, are you ready? We're fighting in
3, 2, 1, fight.
Fight, robots, fight. That's a pin. 7 seconds left. The saw robot might be able to take advantage of it, though. 2, 1, release. That horizontal spinning blade chipping away at the front. You can see those forks getting bent up. We are going to, I was going to ask for motion, but they're both still working. Sorta. And human nature is looking like me trying to go up the stairs after a bot brawl competition. No legs at all. Looks like those blows from Cryptid might be piling up. Ooh, that weapon arm's kind of looking a little bent. I might start counting it out. That's a pin. That's a pin. A pin into a pin. Robots are very evenly matched in pushing power. 3, 2, 1, release. Ooh. That blade can get some bites on that 3D printed plastic. Definitely help.
3, 2, 1, match over.
Judge's decision.